Hello everyone, and welcome back to Useful How-To Videos. My name is Mike Sands, your guide to solving tech-related issues. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. In this video, we'll show you a simple way how to sending a reminder email to yourself, whether it's to pay a bill or do a certain task. It's just an email, a way that you can do that on Power Automate. So we're going to open up Power Automate. When that's open, just simply hit the create, and in this instance we're going to choose the schedule cloud flow. So some schedule, and the window will show up giving you an option to rename the flow. So we'll name this reminder to pay ILML TV bill. Okay, and then you can set the date that you want the flow to run. So my day to pay the bill is on the 5th of every month. So in this example, when we say it's the 10th, okay, it's going to be the 10th, and it's going to be 10 a.m. So if you want to, you can actually set it to the day before, and we want it to run every month. So reminder, you can set it to any frequency you want, whether it's every week, every day, every hour. It's probably not needed, but just showing you examples if you want to ever set a reminder, frequency reminder that of doing different tasks or simple reminders. Okay. So here once again, you can choose the date that you wanted to send. You can choose the time of day that you wanted to send, and you can choose the frequency that you wanted to send. In this instance, I'm going to send it once per month. Okay. And if we hit create, you'll see that it'll start now to process what that flow should look like. I'm going to switch to not the new design, but the old design. Just a few seconds here. And all the information that you put in the window before should have been created here. You see it's going to run once per month, and if we hit the show advanced option, it's going to run on first one is going to run on the 9th. The 9th was, so we're going to close that. So once it now starts to flow, what do we want it to do next? Well, in this particular instance, we wanted to send an email. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit new step, and then in the search box here, we're going to type send email. Excuse the noise in the background, guys. Send an email v2, and here is where you're gonna create all the specifics of where you want the email to go, the subject of the email, and the details of the email itself. Okay, so we're gonna create that now. Want to say reminder to pay ILML TV bill. Okay, and then you can type whatever you want to. Hey Mike, this is just a simple reminder to pay the ILML TV bill that is due on 6/10. Okay. And then once you do that, it's just a matter of saving the flow, because it's already reminded to pay out. So we're going to save the flow. Once we save the flow, now we're just going to run a simple test, make sure everything works fine. Hit test, and we're going to go manually. Okay, and if you hit run flow, and you see that the flow runs was successful. we're gonna hit done, and what we should see is that an email actually came through, and this is the test email. So it says here, now we're gonna go on the email page and see if in fact any email was sent. So you see here in the email, there's actually the test email that came. So you see it came from me, and there's a reminder to pay the ILML bill. When we click on that now, you'll see the same message that I sent. Hey Mike, this is just a simple reminder to pay the ILML TV bill that is due. So that's your proof right there. So actually the flow worked well. And that's it, guys. A simple way of using Power Automate to sending reminders. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, please shoot me a like or thumbs up, or feel free to subscribe for more great videos like this. Thanks, guys.